Shannon CNC Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to the development and production of busbar processing machines. The company is located in the Spring City, Jinan. The workshop area of the first phase is 10,000 square meters. Since its establishment in 2003, it has developed into a leading enterprise in the industry for more than 10 years. The company's main products include full automatic CNC busbar punching and shearing machine, CNC busbar bending machine, 3-station busbar processing machine, CNC busbar corner milling machine, connecting row machining center, double head busbar bending machine and other busbar processing machines. Products. The series are widely used in high and low voltage complete sets, switch cabinets, box type substations, transformers, bus ducts, and other power and electrical related industries. Our company has more than 70 employees, of which more than 35% of the total number of employees are senior technicians, with more than 10 years in the industry, 3 senior engineers and 5 senior technicians. The company has processing equipments more than 50 sets, including CNC turret punch press, sheet metal bending machine, shearing machine, laser cutting machine, CNC machining center, etc. The factory is focused on the development and production for electric power and electrical equipments. The products are sold all over the world. We has exported to more than 30 countries such as India, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe, Australia, and South America countries and regions. Our company has passed ISO certification, C certification, and many kinds of patents on technology and appearance. The company actively builds a modern enterprise management system, insists on product-leading independent innovation, enhances the core competitiveness of the company, and continues to provide customers with high-quality solutions. It is the highest level of automation in the busbar processing industry, the lowest cost of use, and the most competitive in the market. Ideal processing equipment.
Sales telephone +615 165 021418. Website www.busbarmc.com.